Good morning, students. I welcome you all to my lecture. It is my first lecture of English. I am going to teach you English. How are you? First of all, I would like to ask you about your health. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Today, in my first lecture, we are learning a first poem about the life. Today, now we are going to learn first poem in 9th standard, Life, and the poet is Charlotte Bronte. So today I would like to read the poem. Life, believe, is not a dream so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? So let us know about this poem, Life. So life is a game. Play it well. Life is journey. Keep going ahead. So life is hope. Life is our best friend. Life is your courage. Life is solution of joy. Life is entertainment of joy. So this is our life. We should enjoy our life. So in this poem we are going to see about the life. How is life, and what does the poet say about the life? So maybe many obstacles come in our life. So we should come across the obstacles, difficulties, problems. So through this poem, how should we hopeful about our life? We should not nervous. We should always be happy. So now, in this first stanza, what does the poet say? Life, believe, is not dream, so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. No, life, believe, is not a dream. Poetess take a positive view of life. Life is not a dark dream. Life is not a dark dream. We should dream of everything. We should be hopeful about everything. Because hope is a life. So dark as goes away, sages away. After a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. After a little, oft means often. So little rain in the morning tell us that the pleasant day will come. The pleasant day will come. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient or maybe some problems will come in our life like clouds of glooms, but these are transient or means transient also means temporary. So the sorrow will come in our life. It will not be permanent. It will be temporary, and so we should be hopeful, and just definitely we'll come across these problems, these sorrows, these nervousness. If the shower will make the rose bloom, oh, why lament is fall? If the shower will make the roses bloom, if the shower, the little rain, help to blossoms, to rose the blossoms, blow, So, oh, why lament is its fall? Why should unhappy about it? Oh, why lament its fall? Means why should unhappy? Why should we unhappy about anything about any? So that's why we should be hopeful. That's it. So this is for today. We have seen these three stanzas. In three stanzas, so we have seen about our life. What does the poet say? We should be positive. We should be positive. We should be motivate. We should cheerful, excited, comfortable, peaceful, enthusiastic, inspired. This is our positive thinking, and we must approach. We must be positive. So this is for today, and let us see about next stanza in the next lecture. Thank you.